Good day everyone. My name is Darian and I'm from class 2A3.
And I'm Umaira from class 2A4.
Our various school programs have not only allowed us to build the strength and character, but also important social skills to help us face the volatile future.
Firstly, we have the extensive academic program to meet the diverse interests of students. I've learned how to play the ukulele during music lesson and draw live portraits during art.
Secondly, there are exclusive educational programs not found in our textbooks like LLP, Learning for Life, which help develop self-directed and motivated learners through a series of modules known as Passion.
In addition, ALP, which is the Applied Learning Program, hones our RC skills and confidence in public speaking.
Thirdly, our wide selection of CCAs, co-curricular activities, help us to discover and develop our talents in sports or performing arts.
Uniform group CCAs further instill in us the discipline and focus.
Lastly, Chiling is a spacious school. It is well equipped with an indoor sports hall, indoor gym, and many facilities to aid our learning.
We hope to welcome you into our school next year.